Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lavattractionblueprint.com. I'm excited about this video. It's a topic that I know very well, unfortunately. Y'all, I be going through it with people. And it's never like on some, oh my God, I did something crazy to them. It's just when there are strong attachments, strong emotional attachments to people, a lot of misunderstandings and stuff. You know, things don't go as smooth as you would like. But this video, I am going to be telling you how the universe will let you know that your specific person is on their way back to you sooner rather than later. Before I get started, I do want to read a testimonial. Okay, so this one says, so random, but I came across one of your videos 2 days ago on YouTube about attracting someone into my life that I haven't seen in a while. And today I ran into them after not seeing them for a year. I was shook it actually worked, LOL. Just wanted to tell you I love your videos. Can't wait to keep watching and learn more about manifesting and the law of attraction. Love. Purple heart, purple heart. Okay, and one more. OMG. I finished my scripting packet a couple weeks ago and visualized what I wrote every day like you said. I woke up to amazing news. I'm finally getting what I want. Thank you so much, Amber. What I got was worth way more than what I paid for your Law of Attraction bundle. My Law of Attraction tools, my up to 16 guided scripting sheets, Raise Your Vibration audio, How to Manifest ebook, and I just dropped the 2023 Law of Attraction planner. And it's going to be linked in my description box below. Today's price probably won't be tomorrow's price. Because I'm still going back and forth on how I want to price it. Okay, so you're trying to manifest someone specific into your life. I have no idea what happened between you guys. I'm not here to judge because like I said, I go through it with people as well. It always ends up being under the thing like you're closest to me, so you have to go through it the most with me type of thing. I love you so much, but I'm gonna cut up right now. I'm gonna give you HE double hockey sticks, that type of thing. So look out for these signs, and when you start seeing these signs, then you'll know your specific person is about to contact you soon. First, angel numbers. Angel numbers, if you are seeing angel numbers, repeated numbers, start paying attention to them. Say you start seeing 123 or you start seeing 555. My angel numbers that I've been seeing lately is 717. So when you start seeing repeated numbers, start looking up the meaning of what they mean. So I started seeing 717 lately, and at first if I see one number, it's kind of like alright, but if I start seeing it over and over and over again, then there's a chance that I should be looking that up and seeing what's going on and what should I expect. 717, one of the meanings is that your twin flame is about to resurface. And I'm like, alright, okay. You start seeing things that are related to the person. For example, the person who I think is my twin flame, I'm seeing what kind of car they drive. It doesn't matter if I'm looking down, I'm on the phone, if I'm out in the car and I'm just riding, I have my eyes closed, I'll wake up and the exact car, exact make, exact year, exact color is riding in front of me. And I'm like, okay, got it. You start seeing things like the birthday. I started seeing that. I started seeing the birthday everywhere. I remember going into the corner store and I seen, oh, somebody just won on their birthday. And I'm like, okay. I'm seeing their birthday a lot out of nowhere. And this is the first time this has actually happened when birthdays are involved, right? Another sign is that people are bringing them up randomly to you. Like they don't bring them up every day. They're not in your everyday conversation. All of a sudden, it seems like somebody is bringing up this person. Another sign can be you start seeing things that correlate with who they are. For example, I've told this story before. When I was riding down the street, I've rode down this street plenty of times, and this time my eyes locked in on this Cuban and Mexican restaurant. It was like a fusion restaurant. And I'm just riding down the same street, not paying attention, and then my eyes just kind of darted over. And I seen the sign for a Cuban and Mexican restaurant. My first thought was, I've never seen a Cuban and Mexican restaurant like together. That's dope. And then I realized the person who I'm not talking to is Mexican and Cuban. Half Mexican, half Cuban. And this restaurant's half Mexican, half Cuban. I was like, what are the odds? Okay, That's a sign. This one freaked me out. It did. This sign, I'm in the grocery store. I'm doing some grocery shopping. And it's, to be honest, I do a whole lot of curbside. I don't like being in crowds and stuff like that. But I'm in the store this day. And where I'm standing, you can see everybody checking out. I was probably in the ice cream aisle or something like that. And I look up and I see the side view of someone. Mind you, the person who I'm not in communication with is nowhere near me. They're not in the same city. They're not in the same state. They're not even in the same country at the moment. You feel me? So, duh, it's not them. But I look up and the side view of this person looks exactly like them. And I thought my eyes were playing a trick on me. I'm like, nah. So you know how you kind of blink it out, look somewhere else, look back. And I look back and it's still the same. And I'm like, what is going on? Like, no, that's not them. Like, they don't have a twin. They don't have a sibling that is the same gender. Like, no, what is this? So I was like, okay, whatever. So I get closer to checking out. And I had to get so, not extremely close, but I had to get way closer to this person to really look to see that it was not them. I was like, okay, that was odd, but another confirmation. I'm about to have a conversation with this person. Clearly starting to see their name in places, maybe on social media, all of a sudden you're seeing variations of their name a lot. These are all signs. And when I tell you, when I start seeing these signs, then I expect to hear from them really soon. Typically, I would say when I start seeing these signs in less than probably 45 to 60 days. Shoot, sometimes it's happening in less than a week, but usually within 60 days, I'm going to hear from this person and we're going to have a conversation and etc. etc. Like I said in the beginning, I have no idea why you're not talking to your person. That's not up to me to judge, but when you start seeing these signs, more than likely you have a telepathic connection with this person. And sometimes when we think about this person and we just get sad or etc., it's not even our energy. Another example, when I say that, listen to what I'm about to say. If you have a telepathic connection with someone that you care about, a lot of us do. We're all intertwined telepathically anyway. But one day, I'm out, I'm with my mom, I'm with my sisters, my nieces. We're just having a regular Saturday. I'm putting some meat on the grill. It's sunny outside. It's a beautiful day. I made me a little drink or something. I'm vibing. I'm having a great day. I'm not worried about anything. You hear me? I'm not worried about anything. There was no reason for me to be like sad or my energy become super anxious. I continue on with my day. Like I said, all throughout the day I was fine until I laid down at night and I just felt this heaviness come across my heart and my soul. And I'm like, what is this energy? What is this energy? I say 30 minutes later, I get an Instagram DM from the person. And I was like, mind you, we hadn't spoke in a long time. And when I got the message, I was like, that was your energy. You were feeling anxious about sending this message to me. Got it. Got it. Okay. But yeah, I just want to do this video. So these are all signs that you can look out for. Maybe you're trying to manifest your specific person. Now, I do have a scripting packet that has worked wonders for people. I'm just going to read a quick testimonial. Y'all have probably heard this testimonial before. If you're new here, okay, here's one. I put together this scripting packet for manifesting a text or call from someone to help people clear the air and have a good positive conversation with their person. Has gotten super dope results. One of them being, it says, "Dear Love Guide, thank you for the guide on how to manifest a call, text from someone specific. I do believe in scripting and I have been doing it for quite some time before purchasing your in-depth scripting technique. But oh boy, when I tell you this worked, it worked. OMG, I'm really grateful. Thank you so much." Okay, here's another one. It says, "So I started using your scripting technique to manifest a phone call from somebody who things ended on bad terms. I didn't have their number anymore because I lost my phone. I used the scripting sheet last week in capital letters. Guess who was my Uber Eats delivery driver last night? I was at work, so I had to come down to meet them. We were both shocked. I saw the name and I thought I was just a line and I was going to receive a phone call. No, it was really them. They asked for my number again because they lost mine too." But my favorite one basically says that It was a Wednesday. She filled out this scripting packet to receive a phone call from her specific person, and she had turned off the notifications, basically muted their contacts so she wouldn't get the notifications on her phone. By Friday, not only did she receive the text message from that person, whatever happened in her phone, it bypassed and she got the notification from that person anyway. I can't find it right now, but it's more than likely it's going to be linked on the page. You can read as many testimonials as you would like on the page. But I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lavachurchandblueprint.com. Thank you for every like, share, and subscribe. If you found this video useful at all, drop a comment and leave a like. Thank you so much.